have Michigan, Ohio State, you could have Penn State, Syracuse, all very important games across the country. But in this town, there's nothing bigger than Sac State versus UCD. It's happening all right here.
What you doing? What you doing, Joey?
Another sporting event is going to be happening in this town about 2 weeks from now. Exactly.
Where's that kitty?
Also on NBC Sports on Channel 3.
Oh, is the kitty down there? Huh? What? You can't get her out? What do you, uh-oh. Well, how come the kitty's in there? How come the kitty's in there? Huh?
Where is it?
Is it under there? Did you call the kitty? Call it. Call the kitty. Huh? No, you're supposed to go, here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. It's water. Water, Daddy.
You see water?
I see water.
Why? Where's the water at?
Up there.
Oh.
Up there.
Oh.
Up there. Oh, there's water. There's water.
Be careful back there. What is what?
This side.
That's just a timer.
It's a dye.
Huh?
Dye.
A what?
A dye.
A dig?
No.
What?
A light.
Oh, a light. Does that turn the lights on?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can turn the lights on with that, huh?
I'm fixing it.
Oh, don't try to fix it. It's okay. It'll work. In a while, the lights will come on.
Mandy. Honey, you just scared it. Look, see, it just ran away. You didn't just film me, did you?
I did. I didn't mean to. You were bending over. I pulled away.
Daddy. Why did you do that? Please erase it.
Mouth.
Please erase it.
Blurred up though.
Will you erase it?
Yeah. Okay.
Promise?
Yeah, sure.
Can you blip it out?
Sit.
Get that of the kitty. That was cute.
Joey will be quiet. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on. Come on, this kitty loves me. Come on.
It's coming.
Don't jump. Don't jump. Uh-oh. Something's happening to that bush. Doesn't look too good. It's a pretty bush too. I don't think they ever watered it.
Just a good year.